Gary Franklin. I live in Peachtree City, Ardenley subdivision in the kind of northern part of Peachtree City.
All right.
Well, actually, we've been a customer of it's a Guru gutter cleaning for a number of years, and they've done great work for us. And so I was talking to the gentleman who did our gutters and said, I think I saw on the website that you all have other companies, and he did. I mentioned the painting, and that's how I found my way to you. It's been very good. I mean, I brought you out. I looked high in the trim of our house and assumed that we needed some painting done. And you came out today to take a look at it, give us an estimate, and begin having conversation with us, and we discovered, much to my delight, that it didn't need painting. It's covered with a plastic or aluminum faucet and our soffit, and so no work has really been needed. So you've been wonderfully gracious and kind and helpful, and kind of coming out of that, we discovered another project we're going to look at that you're going to take a look at possibly doing for us.